Introducing Beats Studio Pro. We've completely redesigned the packaging. We took an eco-friendly approach. It is 100% fiber-based with zero plastics. Inside the box, you'll find an all-new woven carrying case, 2 cables, and the complete product guide. If you ever have questions or want to learn more about the features, scan the QR code for the complete product guide. To pair wirelessly, simply hold down the power button near your Apple or Android device. Now that you're connected, you'll be able to enjoy the native features on your device such as Hey Siri, audio switching, one-touch pairing, and Find My. Before you put on your product, make sure you've got the correct left-right orientation. Beats Studio Pro features all-day battery life and offers fast fuel for quick charging when you need it. The USB-C also supports lossless audio for a high-quality wired listening experience. The included 3.5mm cable makes sure you can stay connected to your in-flight entertainment, gaming controller, or other analog devices. The left ear cup has multiple on-device controls. Press here to control your volume up and down. One tap of the center B button will play and pause your music or answer a call. 2 taps for the next track. 3 taps for the previous track. And 1 press and hold to activate your voice assistant. Beats Studio Pro includes some sleek new design refinements, including brushed hinges, and feature upgraded UltraPlush engineered leather cushions with a seamless design for extended comfort and durability. Beats Studio Pro comes with powerful balance sound, ANC and transparency mode, spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, enhanced Apple and Android compatibility, all-day battery life. Beats Studio Pro is all about iconic sound and a premium immersive listening experience.